Edward's got himself in a bit of a pickle. He's got to come down, and we are in a fairly sheer cliff. And we've got to go all the way down here. So, show how it's done.
Huh?
Show me how it's done. Big turn.
Can't go straight.
No, you have to do a turns.
Turn?
Yeah. Right. Face the valley, face the valley. That's it, with your shoulders.
Huh?
Face the valley with your shoulders and then do a turn. Turn towards me. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Face the valley. That's it. That's it. Nice one. Was it good? Well done. Well done, it was good.